What are you guys looking at? Because obviously you said you're not really looking to create new ones. What are you hoping for out of ENG next, ENG3, NG3, and NanoVi?
Well, we have a lot of studies going on, ongoing research, which are related to proteins and protein function. It's really impressive stuff, in the repair of the proteins. So that's an area we'll keep doing more and more of that work. We don't study diseases because those are medical claims or related. And so we're looking at underlying things like the ability of proteins to repair, or heart rate variability, some of these things that are not specifically medical. And so we will keep doing more of that. And we are looking at other, the actual insides of the technology, things that are still way out of the price range for us to incorporate. But as technology gets less expensive, we may be able to kind of amp it up even more. But there's still quite a lot of cost to building them.
I'm sure. And I do applaud that focus on going into the research, going into the data, what it's showing, and proving how it works. Because I feel like too many times in the health and wellness field, you find these companies that just look to market, to just push more things out there, to grow at this considerable rate, and just, push out competition without actually looking at the data or what it's really doing to the users and how it's really impacting them. And it becomes, like we discussed earlier, more of a marketing game than a medical game, or you say health game. And that there's the balance. You have to have both. You got to be out there to try and help people obtain their health, but also I understand the business side of marketing.
Yeah, we're more on the science and research side, I would say. The marketing, there's a lot of room for improvement.
Listen, I think, you do one and the other comes about sometimes if you let it. And you got some great people, as I heard you on Dave Asprey, Ben Greenfield, others that I am in the circle with and understand that they're really looking to promote the best products out there. So in a sense, the new age of marketing is, hey, let the actual product be the proof. Let the users experience it, right? And then provide the evidence along with the experience. That is the best marketing.
And that's exactly how we've done it, because we didn't do the full-blown marketing push. That approach just didn't appeal to us. Because for one thing, you have to raise so much money that you've then lost control of the company, and you're beholden to people that are profit-oriented. And we really... we're doing this. You can't lift something like this passionately unless you really care about the whole point, which is to help people and to not override the body, to support it, to do its, use its wisdom to optimize itself and improve a person's condition. And so we're really keen on that, and we didn't want to give up on that in order to go ahead and, just blast it out in the market.
I really appreciate that. And don't ever give up on that, because that's so important to stay true to the original mission, I'm sure, and what you're doing to help others. And of course, it's very, I would say, intoxicating at times to look at how you could grow so big and, market this. And I'm sure, at some point, it could be something that is mainstream that people are using. But where you are right now in that growth, and what, clinics like ours and others, and I hope more and more clinics do jump on board and more people do use this, because it's safe, it's simple, and it helps. And those are the three things I think everybody should be looking for if you're looking to optimize your health or move away from a disease state. So, that's the wonderful part. It's combining technology with natural approaches. There's nothing chemical about this, nothing artificial. So that's why I was so excited to have you on board, because this is the embodiment of a new paradigm of medicine. And it's one that does not also vilify technology. I know so many, old school acupuncturists and naturopaths that don't want to do anything with technology because they see it as something that's harmful to the human body and the energy. But no, we've seen this, and we are all about a natural approach, especially at our clinic. That's what I've been brought up to be a part of, is that nature heals. And you've been able to incorporate technology in that. So that's really awesome.